Assignment Overview 2.04, where we will be going over the composite figures you might see in your exit ticket. This one is, what is the area of the figure? Enter only the number of the numbers. Units are assumed in all exit tickets. So notice that here the rectangle has a length of 8 and a width of 4. The rectangle on the right end of the triangle has a base of 4 and a height of 4. The triangle on the bottom has a base of 8 minus 3 plus 2, or 3, and a height of 4 units. So we can go ahead and set this up in this way. Let me go ahead and write it for us. So it's important to know your formulas when we're talking about composite areas. The area of a rectangle is length times width. The area of a triangle is half the base times the height, or the length times the width. The area of a triangle, again, is half the base times the height. Here that we have two right triangles. What is the area of the figure? So we're going to find the area of each triangle and then add them together. So we know that the formula is half base times height. We also know that right triangles have a very nice formula that we can use. We can look at all of the perfect right triangles. 3, 4, 5 is a perfect right triangle. So this is a perfect right triangle here. So that tells us that our height and our base of this small triangle is 4 and 5. So I can say half of 4 times 5 for this little triangle, and I can add that to half of 8 times 5 for this big triangle. All right. Once I add those together, I get the area of this this composite shape. The next question could look like this on your exit ticket. What is the area of the figure? Notice here that triangle is area times half the base times the height. A parallelogram, the middle one, is area times base times height. And then there's a parallelogram on the right as well. So let's break these up. Well, we have area is equal to base times height divided by 2. For a parallelogram, we have area is equal to base times height, or in this case I did height times base. I guess you could look at it either way. Same thing on this one, base times height. Add all three together and you get the area of this composite figure. Final question looks like this. This one is sitting on a grid. The shape is made up of all shapes that have an area formula of length times width. You can draw the dotted line wherever you feel is best. Then multiply width times length and find the area of this figure. If you have any questions on this assignment, feel free to text me a picture of your work or send me an email and I can show you where you're confused.